man, she's so filthy. Yeah, she definitely needs a wash. I don't know if you can see it in the video. Yeah. Just went and put a hat on because my hair was all over the place. Maybe I should start getting some Human Car Sounds hats, eh? Same as the shirts. Alright, anyway, as you know by the title of this video, I've finally purchased some rims, guys. So they're here now, and I'm so excited to show you. So, are you ready? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. There you have it. I've purchased some Enkei RPF ones. The specs are 18-inch by 9.5 on the rears, and at the fronts they are 18-inch by 8.5. So I didn't go for like a crazy wide tire. I wanted the perfect fitment. Enkei RPF ones are very common, but they were within my budget, which was around $2,000, and so these cost me, I think, about $1,600 or near about. And then I got Nitto Invos, which are 275 by 40 R18s, which obviously these are the rear. And on the fronts we have gone with a 235 40 as well. So yeah, that should be good. I reckon they're gonna look fat. The reason, look, I know, like I said, I know you're going to be bagging out like RPF ones. Why don't you go with Workmeisters or CCWs? And like I said before, one, it's the budget, and to be honest, when I visualized respraying this car, and I said to myself, if we are ever going to go with this green, for some reason I just visualized the green and then black Enkeis on it with like the gold calipers that I've got on there. So I don't know, I had that vision of what it's gonna look like. So I mean, like, I'm happy. I'm really happy with them, and I'm so excited. Like, let's put these wheels on, shall we? The fronts have a different face to the rears, and that's because if we were to go with the same style as the rears, they wouldn't actually clear the RZ brakes calipers without having a spacer. So that was another thing that I didn't want to run, was spacers on this car. So I'll show you what I mean. The RZ stock calipers are so huge on the front. Like, these are stock R17s, and look, they like barely just clear the stock wheels. Massive shout out to Ben from A2R Performance and Batteries. He hooked me up with this 3-ton low profile jack. Wow, that goes pretty high. Thanks, Benno. Alright, the fronts are done. Yeah, boy. Almost looks like a full drive now. Okay, so fronts are done. I'm gonna reverse the car back in, and we'll get the rears done. Woohoo! So this is the difference between the two rear tyres. 255/40 R17 and 275/40 R18. Body profile, I think it might look a little bit too much like a four-wheel drive, and this is my main concern right here. Is that little gap there. But there's only one way to find out. And that's all the rubber from probably last week going to the drags. Oh jeez. Hey, look at that. So they're the vents. So these are the vents to cool down the brakes. See? Scoops are functional, they actually do something. Go Toyota. Damn. Look at that. Oh man, videos don't do justice. Especially not in the driveway. Let's torque these wheels down. On the Supra forums, I think they were around 103 to 107 Newton meters. Supra. So people are saying 76 foot-pounds. No, this is AU. Australian, so they 100% will go by Newton meters. MK4, 103. Everybody else was saying 76 foot-pounds, so let's do 76 in conversion. 76 foot-pounds is 103 Newton meters. Alright, so I'm going to go get the torque wrench now and we'll torque these up. Look at those tyres. That's it. It's a bit more meaty now. Oh, that fitment. That is looking good. Beautiful. I think we should take it out on the driveway and have a look at them properly, shall we? Oh, wow. Obviously there's more weight on the back right now because of the driveway, but I think clearance shouldn't be an issue on the fronts and on the rears, so that's a good sign. Now my apologies that the car is really dirty. I haven't washed it since the drags. I'm absolutely in love with them. So happy the way they turned out. This is actually how I visualized this car would look like. Yeah, boy. Alright guys, so we finally put some rims and tires on Project Lynn. I know you guys have been waiting so long. I've been reading all your comments, and every single time there's an upload dedicated to Lynn, it's always like, she needs new rims, she needs new rims, when is she gonna get new rims? So I've actually had them for a while, just wanted to keep it quiet and not tell you guys, but they're finally on the car. And I hope you guys like it. I'm absolutely over the moon with them, and that's what I visualized this car would look like back when it was still silver. So I would say it looks like, how do I explain it? Like it's a very mature car. So, you know, it doesn't have these big fat deep dish wheels, you know, massive stance or camber or anything like that. You know, it's just got some big fat profile rubber tires on it. Some lightweight 18-inch wheels, so you know I'll be more than comfortable to take it to, you know, to the drags, you know, do some circuit racing or just general cruise. So I mean, look, that was my budget that I had, and they look 10 times better than what they were on the with the stockies on. So I'm really happy. I know I couldn't wash the car today, but we'll probably do that tomorrow. I'm running out of time now. I've actually booked with Uncle. I've booked in for the Lexus to get some things done. There's a few issues with it, so alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's episode dedicated to Project Lynn. If you like and want to see more content of Project Lynn or whatever vlogs I do, I post up, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching again guys, and I'll see you next time.